Okay, so here we are at the front end now of the B17, and got to be honest, I'm not a fan at all of how Airfix have gone about this. We had all the issues with the rear gunner's position and that being clear plastic, and I kind of get, as I've said, the reason why they may have gone down that road, but it makes the build experience a real pain in the bum, to be honest, because now we're at the front end. All we've got are these 5 windows, 2 tiny ones here at the front, on the front port side, left side, and these 3 back here. And for the sake of moulding that, and then you know, I don't know, that would just have been so much easier. But no, what we've now got is, I've masked them out, we've got to insert them. The fit's good, but the point is there is no join line, of course, all the way around there on the real aircraft. So you've got to come in and, well, for me, I'll be using super glue all along this join here, down here and down here. That will take all that preparation and polishing to make sure that it disappears. Same on the other side, on the right hand side, as you can see here. And I just think that's such a faff. It's a real shame. It may have saved some money in the great production of life and costs, but as I said, I think it damages the build experience significantly. So for me, I think that's a bit of a no-no. But there we are. We've got to press on and get it done, and we'll go from there. I suppose on the positive side, it is going to be possible to add the this upper turret here afterwards, which will be fine. We can also add this clear piece here, which I've masked, and can just drop in with the gun later on. What else can we just say briefly? Yeah, so underneath, we've added the fairing here behind the chin turret, and that also can go on, it seems now, so I've done that. I've masked the big nose glazing, as you can see here, which is right there. That's a faff, obviously, very fine framing on that, so that's done though, but nonetheless that's a positive thing. So that's away over here. With everything else that's getting ready to be sprayed. So I just thought I'd bring you up to speed with that and just draw your attention to those issues really all around the nose with the clear glazing. So we'll get on, do the prep for that, and then hopefully at some point we'll be able to spray this thing.